I just upgraded my QRadar Advisor with Watson to 2.01. Then what I did is I took my fully patched machine. As you can see, this machine, it's up to date. I have Windows Defender running, but then I attacked the machine in the very same way that you have seen probably in some videos that I did with Sysmon, using the techniques, the rules that Mutaz created on the package. And, QRadar fire and offenses. But let me show you the things that I did. So I first, when this Word document was open, then a PowerShell, obfuscated PowerShell got executed. I got a session. I loaded the bypass UAC to bypass the user access control, so I could escalate privileges. What else did I do? Then once I did that, I got, using get system, I escalated to system access, not even admin, but system access. And then I went ahead and put in the registry that my log.exe to be automatically run every time the machine reboots to achieve persistence. What else did I do? I enabled a guest account and give it a simple password and made a member of the app team. So I really hit this machine hard. Then I even went further down and loaded the Kiwi and got all the passwords for that machine. As you can see, the password for that demo system are all here. So I really hit this machine hard. And QRadar absolutely fire an offense on it. And if we can, the standard way of looking at this would be to go and look at the rules, and sure thing, this looks pretty bad. But I send it to Advisor, and notice how I got, the initial access, execution, the persistence, that persistent thing, previous escalation. I mean, pretty much all the stages, but the data is filtration, because I didn't took any data out, but all the other stages can be actually easily seen in here. And another thing that you can see is that, for example, if we take the hash of this hash in here, that is one of the observables that QRadar found, and we send that to VirusTotal. VirusTotal doesn't find a thing on it. So VirusTotal is very useful, don't get me wrong. But these attacks use obfuscation, so the new hashes are generated dynamically, so there's no way that VirusTotal can figure that out. And in fact, Watson, one of the sources for Watson information is VirusTotal. But nevertheless, I mean, it found it here as a part of the initial stack. So all that obfuscation, all that thing wasn't good enough to bypass Advisor. I think it's a nice example of the power of visualizing this attack in the stages. So even if I am not an experienced SOC operator, I can see that this stuff, no data went out, but this machine is actually ready for the bad guys to be used for that.